In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through 3 platforms to find video editing jobs on that are remote. So make sure you stay tuned to learn more about it. Like always, guys, I'm going to leave all the links down in the description, so make sure you check that out at the end of the video. If you haven't already, go and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into it. Number 1, Upwork. Upwork is a great platform to find video editing jobs. There are tons of video editing jobs on there. It's easy to navigate and walk through, and as well as once you get better on and you get more clients on where you can start finding a lot more video editing jobs on there. One thing I do recommend is you having a a portfolio of 3 to 4 really good items in a certain niche. If you niche down on Upwork, you'll find a lot more. So if you just do video editing for weddings, if you do video editing for vlogs, or you do video editing for commercials, or video editing for interviews, niche down and then spread out after you niche down, because once you'll get all the jobs for interviews that's in your price range. Something that I did a little bit and it worked pretty well, and you find lots of different jobs as well. So I want you guys to test out and see how it works for you. Number 2, people per hour. People per hour has tons of jobs similar to Upwork, a little bit less, but on here you can actually get paid, I would say, a lot more on here than on Upwork. Upwork, sometimes people are looking for smaller amounts and aren't looking to pay as much, but sometimes you have lower amount. It really depends on your situation, because on people per hour, I've seen a lot more people get more actual video editing jobs that are paid $45 or more an hour. Something you guys should really look into, but I think this is gonna be a real good platform to go through. One good thing as well is once you start building up on people per hour and start getting comments, it really takes you a whole nother level, because in that platform, unlike Upwork or Freelancer, it's really whoever has reviews gets the most jobs. So your biggest thing should be trying to focus on getting reviews on these platforms. But this right here will help you find a remote video editing job. 3, Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is a wonderful place for you to find video editing remote jobs. Something that I've used a couple times, and I found some higher paying jobs like $55 an hour on there. But the thing that I would tell you the best about Freelancer.com is that since there's so many people can bid so much, I recommend going on there and being very tailored with what you're doing. So I mean, niching down as specific as possible, as said on Upwork. So if you're doing wedding edits, then do just wedding edits, and then put that everywhere on there that you do wedding edits. And also go on there too as well, when you go further and more depth into it, you can go through and start bidding a lot more on those platforms and pay for that. I think it's like $100 plan, and it gives you like over 300 something bids, or 1,500, something crazy it used to give you. I don't know, I gotta see what it gives you now. But you can do that, and you can bid a lot of times on a lot of those jobs, and almost bid on every job coming through. It's a good way to basically build out your actual clientele and get a lot of clients on Freelancer.com. If you like this video, go on and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this video with someone looking to get video editing jobs remotely. And also, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Xavier Kelly. If you need help with anything, please contact me. Also, go ahead and contribute to the Patreon. Really helps the channel out. And if you need any web development or any consulting, also to reach out to me as well. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Xavier Kelly. See you in the next one.